Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'll be covering this portable truck tent. So the installation was quick and easy. The tent is sturdy. It's made of high quality materials, which is going to protect you from the sun, the rain, hail, whatever the case might be. It has different sizes for different size truck beds. So mine, being a short bed 5.5, fits perfectly inside, which I'll show you in a future video. The support beams are all aluminum and seem to hold up pretty well. The small windows have double layer zipper situations, as well as the front has two different zippers. It's also very smooth to open and close. It has storage sleeves on the inside where you can stuff your cell phones or camping stuff or whatever you'd like to put in there. So the fixing straps are flexible, and there's protective pieces on every strap so you don't scratch your truck. But they're really easy to use. You just clip them on there and then you give them a little tug. So I'm going to do a quick walk around and show you what it looks like. I also will show you an installation video, kind of a sped up installation the first time that I installed it, and we'll go from there. All right, so it's all installed. I think I got everything adjusted just right for my truck, and it looks pretty good. It's very stable and sturdy. The straps hold it down well on the sides. They're nice and snug, but not too snug where it's gonna hurt my truck. There's a flap here that goes all the way around on both sides and in the back that will prevent the rain from going in, and also kind of protect the outside of your paint. So you can see here, this kind of just goes over, but the aluminum bars are sturdy. They were pretty easy to put up. You basically just clip them on. Oh, it looks like I need to clip that one on as well. I'll have to get to that in a second. All in all, I definitely think it's a cool product. It seems to work well. I would be interested to see how long it holds up, but it seems like it's pretty good quality, so I'm hoping for the best, I guess. I will say one thing that they could do is my truck has a window in the back, and it would be nice to be able to have a hole in the back of the tent that I could link to my window and maybe run my AC in my truck and have that air get pushed back into the tent.